Welcome to the Top 5 channel. Before starting, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. Fruit is popular around the world, for good reasons. Delicious, ready to eat, and abundant in nutrients such as fiber and vitamins. Comprised of mostly water, fruit is great for quenching thirst and beating hunger in a single punch. Their health benefits can be consumed in various ways like smoothies, sorbets and even ice cream. They can be used in cooking and baking, as well as for decorating dishes. Perhaps the only downfall to fruit is that it is a quick source of energy that also lacks protein, making it a good snack to hold one over until the next meal. The world's leading mango producers include India, China, and Thailand, and more than 50 million tons of exotic tropical fruit are grown annually. Mangoes deliver a generous dose of beta-carotene, an antioxidant that's converted to vitamin A by the human body. Vitamin A promotes healthy vision, skin, and teeth, not to mention a strong immune system. Brazil, China, India, and several other nations churn out approximately 73 million tons of oranges every year. These sunny little citrus fruits are rich in vitamin B1, folic acid, and potassium. The bulk of orange crops is used to make one of the most beloved fruit drinks ever: orange juice. A single serving of OJ supplies a whopping 67% of the recommended daily allowance of vitamin C. Vitamin C increases collagen production, promotes iron absorption, builds strong bones and teeth, and is particularly essential to pregnant women and children. Nearly 150 million tons of bananas are grown annually, predominantly in India and China. Other major producers include the Philippines, Ecuador, Indonesia, and Brazil, all of whom export the lion's share of their banana crops to other countries for consumption. First and foremost, bananas boast high levels of potassium, which may prevent stroke, high blood pressure, and heart disease. It even tackles cramping and muscle fatigue after an intense workout. Bananas also function as a great source of flavonoids: pectin, magnesium, copper, manganese, fiber, and vitamins B6 and C. Since they're a pretty filling snack, bananas could aid in weight loss when enjoyed as part of a well-balanced diet. Also among the most common fruits enjoyed around the world, apples are mainly grown in China, the US, Europe, and Turkey. Approximately 76 million tons are produced globally every year. A fantastic source of vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, C, E, and K, as well as potassium, manganese, and copper, apples make a convenient, on-the-go snack. The dietary fiber they provide increases feelings of fullness and reduces caloric intake. Phenolic compounds like flavonoids quercetin, kaempferol, and catechine found in apples offer antioxidant properties to protect against chronic illnesses, including cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. They also lower cholesterol, improve bone health, and enhance brain function. Lastly, the pectin in apples acts as a prebiotic to balance gut bacteria, regulate blood sugar levels, and boost cardiovascular health. Despite common misconception, the tomato is technically a fruit because it contains seeds. They're produced in larger quantities than any other fruit, with more than 170 million tons grown internationally each year. Most tomato crops come from China, India, Turkey, and the United States. It's no wonder that tomatoes are the most consumed fruit in the world, especially since they're a dietary staple for millions of people, a key ingredient in countless cuisines. This versatile fruit is used in sauces, soups, salads, condiments, garnishes, and even drinks. It's also utilized as a fast food ingredient, serving as the basis for ketchup, salsa, and pico de gallo. Low in calories and loaded with vitamins C and K, potassium, and folate, tomatoes also carry an antioxidant compound called lycopene. Promising research shows that lycopene could decrease the likelihood of developing heart disease and certain types of cancer. What's more, tomatoes contain other antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, naringenin, and chlorogenic acid, and serve as a good source of fiber. Fiber prevents constipation, lowers cholesterol, manages blood sugar levels, and helps maintain a healthy weight. Don't forget to like our video and share with us in the comments your favorite fruits.